What's going on, YouTube? Day 3. We here now, touching down in California in the next hour. We in Arizona right now. There's Knucklehead. Yeah, man, weather's looking good. Ready to close it out. Savannah to Cali in 3 days. I got you on the face cam, on the helmet cam, so let's take a ride. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Like that. Yeah, man, you see it. California, day 3.
So, tell me a little bit about Rare Breed.
Rare Breed Motorcycle Club was founded in 1989 by a great brother called Mr. Nate and the crew, which consisted of brothers like Big Maul, Big Pat, Big Lucky, which was the first generation. And then following those guys came brothers like Fast Fred, Big Punchy, Big Mob, Baby Slip. And these guys here was the beginning of the second generation. Thank you, brothers, for allowing us, Savannah Red Breed, being a part of the brotherhood. Breed up or speed up.
We might be rare, but we a rare breed. Around here, loyalty means everything. They call us a gang, we just a rare breed. We family tied in through this rare breed. We might be rare, but we a rare breed. I'm family tied in through the blood I breathe. Yeah. Motorcycles drinking rubber breed up. We ain't just in the South, we worldwide, cousin. Yeah. Fast Fred, baby, shook, nigga, big push. I gotta keep a gang of weed to keep from going under. Mailin' one time, but show you how we do it. Rocco keep us focused, he the best to do it. Rocco tell him breathe up, red breed. Around here, loyalty means everything. They call us a gang, we just a red breed. We family tied in through this red breed.
First and foremost, I'd like to thank God for allowing me to see the day where I can ride a motorcycle across our beautiful country. Secondly, I'd like to thank my family for standing by my side and giving me the confidence and the clear head to make the ride. Finally, I'd like to thank Black Beauty, my steel horse, who carried me across all terrain safely. I want to give a special thank you to the brothers of Savannah Red Breed who have all played a part in my readiness for this ride. Breed up, speed up.
We need a first aid kit or we alright? Who got one of them? Who got one of them? Hey! What am I talking about? Everyone, don't tell no motherfucking body! Don't say nothing. I love y'all.
I ain't gonna lie, because he pop up TV lit. And now I'm happy to want to battle somebody, be calling out passion. So pop up and let me laugh.
Hey, that's you see it, YouTube. There he is. Y'all out here doing your thing all the way from Savannah.